Children, good afternoon all. In this video, you are going to learn about least distance of distinct vision. This is the first activity in the chapter of human eye and colorful world. Children, so it's a very interesting activity and very simple activity. You have to observe the activity carefully and automatically you can understand very easily. Okay children, in this activity here you have to observe the lens of the camera should be considered as the human eye, because we are watching the everything through the camera of mobile. That means here our eye is very close to camera. So here I am going to the topic here now, very clear. So in my hand one book it is there. In that book, so here you are finding something human eye and colorful world. So here I will change the position of the book. Then you can observe size and clarity of the printed letters of that particular page. Clear? So then we will go for what is least distance of distinct vision. Just you have to observe how much image you are finding in the screen of mobile and how much clarity of the letters, printed letters, what you are finding on the page. So that's you have to observe. Now here I am keeping the textbook is very close to the very close to the lens. So camera lens is very close to our eye. Here lens is nothing but it is our eye. The page is very close to our eye. Then it is not possible to see the entire page. If you want to see the entire page, the eye is going to be strained. So we are not feels it's relaxed. The eye is going to be very strained. Some stress is created on the eye. If you want to continuously watch it, the pain also formed. So children, here now I am slowly changing the position of that particular page. So now I was moved like this. Now here what you observe, the size of the image and letters or the number of letters what you are finding are increases. Clear? And after that again some distance. Again what you observed, you have to check letters and how much you are finding the portion of the page, like that. So here I am changing like that. So again you have to observe. Now here I kept at this location. So at this location we are finding almost all total page. Look here, total page we are finding. So human eye and colorful world, almost all the complete size of the paper is we are getting. And here you have to observe that now you have to check whether you are able to see the letters or not. You have to check it once. So clear. And after that again I am changing the position. Again I am changing. Now also we are getting the entire textbook, but it's not possible to see all the letters clearly. Again I am changing the book. Again now this time also we are getting the entire textbook, but we are not possible to read all the letters very clearly. Again changed. So in this case also what you observe, we are finding the entire page, but we are unable to see the letters clearly. So again changed. Again. So now also we are getting entire book, but we are unable to see the letters we are not finding clearly. So that means children, what you observe, when textbook is very far off our eye or camera, we are unable to see the letters. We are finding the entire page but unable to see the printed letters. Just you have to observe the printed letters seems to be like blur, it's not clear. And what you observe, when the same thing, when textbook is very close to camera, then also we are unable to see the letters very clear. The letters seems very blur. So you are clearly finding that it's a blur image. Clear? And when it is far off the camera also, or from our eye also, it is not possible to find the printed letters clearly. So we are unable to read. Even though we are finding the image, we are unable to read. So again children, you have to observe. Now I am slowly moving the textbook towards the camera or mobile. So for me, at this location here I am getting almost all. Here I am getting the entire page, and that should be very clear. So in that I will read first two lines. You have studied refraction of light through lenses in the previous chapter. Like that, I am able to read the letters very carefully. So, and very clearly, without any stress, I am able to see all the letters very comfortably. So now here we have to measure the distance from camera to the textbook. We have to measure the distance from camera to the textbook. So it is now 20, and that is 5. So now here, when the textbook is at 25 centimeters, we are able to see all the printed letters very clearly, and we can feel that it's very comfortable. We are not our eye is not going to strain. By relaxing ourselves, we are finding all the letters. So now the distance between the lens and book, that should be called here least distance of distinct vision. That means the minimum distance between eye lens to the object. The minimum distance between eye lens, here eye lens is nothing but camera. So eye lens, the minimum distance between eye lens and book to get the clear image formed by the eye. That should be called least distance of distinct vision. Got my point, children? The minimum distance between the eye lens and object to get the clear image of the object very comfortably. That distance is called least distance of distinct vision. Generally, for a human being, healthy human being, the least distance of distinct vision value is 25 centimeters. It may be varies from person to person. Clear, children? So this is simply about the least distance of distinct vision. So again you can observe, after here I am moving the textbook slowly towards the lens. What you observe, the portion of the image what we are finding, that should be decreases, and number of sentences also decreases. And what you observe, to get to read the entire space, our eye is going to get strained. So like this. So here at particular one distance only, our eye is able to read get the image very clearly. So children, got this point? So that particular position is what we call least distance of distinct vision. So for myself it is 25 centimeters. So this is the children simple activity about the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, I hope you got it. So if you want to understand very carefully, clearly, for that you have to repeat, you have to watch the video 2 or 3 times continuously, then automatically you can understand this one. So this chapter is very important chapter, children. So that's why you have to watch it without fail. Okay, bye, take care.